Bonjour escargot. Here is the tutorial on how to use Quizlet as a test by Chezzy. The first thing that you need to do is go to Quizlet.com. So you type in Quizlet.com, and then the second thing that you are going to do is you need to decide if you're going to log in under an account that you already have, or if you need to sign up for an account. If you sign up, I suggest using your school email account because that way it syncs directly to Google Classroom. But that's your choice. Alright, so next, once you've signed up, you need to go to the search and find me. So you go up here to where it says search, and then in the search area, you need to type in Madame Chezzy. That is my name on here. So you're going to type in Madame, and it's all one word. Madame Chezzy. Once you've done that, it should bring up my page. Then, the next thing you do is you need to join the classroom. So, you're going to choose the correct class that you want to join. So, you select Join Class, and then choose whichever one you belong to. You can also select, in addition to join whichever class you belong to, you can select MCHS French too. Because that has flashcards on it, especially for the upper levels, that may not be added to your class because you're beyond that point. So, choose your class. Then you might have to wait a few minutes because I need to confirm your membership. Once you've done that, you need to be able to refresh your screen, and you should see something that looks like this. So you're in Français 1, and you see all the flashcards listed. So whatever your assignment is, you need to select those flashcards. Okay? So for example, we're going to use avoir. And so it's right over here. That will bring you to this screen. Now, in order to take the test, you have to select the test option, which is right here. You see they've got flashcards, they've got a learning mode, spelling mode, test mode, and then there's different ways that you can actually play games with the flashcards, like matching and so on. So, but right now we need the test mode. So you click on test, and that will bring you to the test itself, which is this right here. Okay? Before you do anything, before you start taking the test, go to, it should be either options or selections, and depending on what type of device you're using will depend on where it's located on your screen. For my iPad, it's down in the bottom left. So you click on options, and that will bring you to this screen right here, the options screen. I don't care if you start with English or French, doesn't really matter. Okay? None of these, I believe, have any images, so you don't have to really do anything there. What you do need to make sure is that you have studied all of them and that you have all of the different options for question types selected. So written, matching, multiple choice, and true, false. Okay? Once you've got that, click on the Create New Test. Then you can start your test, and it should look something like this. So once you fill everything out, and you keep scrolling down, there should be, for the verbs, the infinitives, there's probably only 7 of them, you go to Check Answers. All right, so then you click Check Answers, and it'll bring you to an answer page that looks something like this. All of my answers are whited out, but it'll show you the correct answer and what you had as well. So, at this point, you have 2 choices. You can either take a screenshot of this. So, you can take a screenshot of it. If you're using a phone, this is probably the way to go. Or, you can go down to the bottom left, and you can print the test, and then turn it in to me in school. If you choose screenshot, after you've done your screenshot of the test, you're going to go back to Google Classroom, click on the assignment, and then upload your photos into the assignment. And then you're done. If you choose to print, the next screen you will see should look something like this. And then you print the pages out. Make sure that you don't forget to put your name up in the top right so that we don't have unidentified French objects. So you will see your score, you should see your questions, and and put your name on it, and then bring it to class with you. If you choose to do this, and for some reason your printer malfunctions or whatever, you can save this as a PDF file and then upload it to Google Classroom just like you would photos. So you go to Google Classroom, make sure that you know where the saved file is, the saved PDF. Go to Google Classroom, go to the assignment, and then upload the PDF into your assignment, and I'll get it that way. So there you go. If you have any questions, feel free to text me on Google Hangouts. That is all. You are done. Happy Quizletting, guys. And of course, if you need to contact me on Google Hangouts, here is my number. Ta-da!